Hello friends! Today I've built a DIY smoke machine using a strong plastic pipe body. Inside this compact design, heat and airflow work together to create dense smoke output. Now let's see how to create the body structure using plastic pipes. First, before shaping them, we need to heat the plastic using a heat gun so it becomes flexible. Once heated, we'll carefully press and flatten the surface. As you can see, the pipe is now properly flattened and ready for use. In this way, we have flattened two pieces properly using heat. To make the surface more attractive, we applied paint on it. As you can see, after painting, the finish looks clean and very professional. Next, we used a plastic pipe handle, which was already prepared earlier. Along with this, we are using a DC socket, and friends, here we have used a high-quality press button for smooth and reliable operation. Now, let's complete all the required electrical connections. After finishing the wiring, we carefully placed the assembly inside the handle. Using instant glue, we securely fixed all the components in position. All the connection details and wiring diagrams are provided in the description below. Once everything is properly set and fixed, our setup is fully ready for use. To make it even more visually appealing, we've applied a smooth gray coat of paint. Next, we move on to the body, which we had carefully prepared using durable plastic pipes. We've drilled all the necessary holes precisely as per our design. Now, it's time to fit the handle pipe securely into the body. Once the handle is in place, we've added a compact 12V CPU fan, which you can easily buy from any store. Then, we attach a side switch and carefully complete all the wiring connections. After double-checking everything, the assembly is fully ready, and all components are properly integrated. First, we cut one piece according to the CPU size and attach it properly with the main assembly. After that, friends, we complete all the remaining electrical connections carefully. Once everything is connected, we neatly fit the assembly inside the body, and as you can see, the fitting is completed securely. Next, we take a blank PCB board and cut it according to our project requirements. After measuring and marking the PCB properly, we drill holes and fix the PCB inside using nuts and bolts, tightening it firmly from both sides. Now friends, we take a new nichrome wire, we carefully fold it around the bolt, and create a coil-shaped loop. As you can see, the coil is ready, and we fix it tightly on the bolt. Then we take another small piece and attach it to this assembly to complete the structure. Let's quickly assemble all the parts together. Next, we attach the aluminum antenna pipe and quickly assemble the remaining parts. For fixing, we use instant glue, and now all components are properly prepared and secured. As you can see, everything is fitted properly. Now we complete all the electrical connections. You must follow the same wiring pattern shown in my recording. The complete circuit diagram will be provided in the description box for your reference. After that, we take a small piece of cotton and place it inside the body, exactly at the same position shown here. Next, we add pure glycerin from the top side through the hole we prepared earlier. Now friends, we take a UPVC reducer. To attach it, we already cut a matching piece and we fix it properly with the body. As you can see, the reducer is attached and fitted neatly inside. Now our project is completely assembled and ready. Please be very careful while placing components. No wire should remain loose, otherwise the project may not work correctly. You can make this project even more advanced if you want, but now let's move to testing. For testing, I am using a 12-volt battery. We quickly connect the power supply, and then turn on the switch placed at the back side. And yes friends, you can clearly see that the project has started working, and it is performing very smoothly and effectively. Now tell me in the comment section, how did you like this project? That's all for today's video. We'll meet again in the next one. Till then, take care, bye-bye.